Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to toggle colors or how to detect dark mode and light mode inside a macOS application with Swift. So here I have one button and I am currently inside dark mode, and this I am assigning a blue color to my button when it is in dark mode. Now I will go to my systems app and I'll change it to light mode, and here you can see the button of my color has also changed. Now again I will switch back to dark mode and it has again changed back to a blue color. So let's see how to do this. So first I have created a macOS application with AppKit. The next thing which I have done is that I have just created one button, so NS button, and here this is important, wands layer. Like this is part of macOS AppKit whenever you want to change the background color for a particular button. Otherwise if you don't assign this as true, it won't your background color won't work for you. And then I have just added this add subview. Then to listen for this background, whether the theme is being changed from dark mode to light mode, I have added this notification center dot default. I'm not sure what's the difference between distributed notification center and normal notification center, but here as you can see I have just added this observer, and here this method gets called get appearance whenever the color changes, and we are listening for this Apple interface theme change notification. And here at the very start I am calling it manually because this only fires when the theme has been changed. It does not fire initially when your app loads. So for the very first time you will have to call it manually, and here I have created a variable called is dark mode equal to false. Then I am just checking whether the user default, so this is part of this user defaults does not belong to our app, but it belongs to macOS itself. So we are just checking for this Apple interface style, and if it contains dark, then dark mode is enabled. So I'm making this variable as true, and if it is true, then we are just changing the title as well as the background color as well. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Now there is another way as well. So if you go to assets, inside you can add a color asset. Just right click new color asset and give some color name, my color, and here inside my color you can also select in appearance any light dark. Okay, but the problem with this is if I change the theme, so for the very first time when you run your app it works, but if you change the theme or the appearance from your systems app, it does not get reflected dynamically. You will have to rerun the app again. So I'll show you that as well. So I'll just assign some color. Okay, so for light mode this is the color, and for a dark mode I will just apply yellow as the color. Okay, I'll just take this my color over here and I can assign it something like this. Okay, so given that I'm assigning the color over here, I don't need to call get appearance inside view did load, but I can do something like this. So I also don't need this distributed notification center, right? Because given that this color assets is already handling this light and dark mode for us, it should take care for us internally, but it still doesn't work. Maybe my understanding is incorrect, I'm not sure. So if I run the app, here you can see I'm getting yellow because for dark mode the color is yellow, so that works. Now if I change it to light mode, here you can see it is still yellow. Don't worry about this white color which you are seeing, because over here as you can see because I am only changing the background color of my button and not the actual foreground color or the text color. That's why you are seeing it white, so don't get confused. And also for light mode we have assigned the cyan type of color blue, which is not getting assigned any which way, so it is not working at all. So if I again change it to dark, here you can see it is still remains the same thing. And also if I go to my view controller, suppose if I do over here this, and then if I do something like this over here, okay, because this code is constant, we anyways whether it is dark mode or light mode doesn't really matter for us, because that is handled internally by this color asset. If I do something like this, we even don't need this. Okay, and if I run this, I don't think this will work as well. So I'm not sure what exactly is the point of this if it is not handling the as you can see it is still yellow. I'll just quickly change to dark mode. So I don't know what exactly is Apple what was the point of this. Like, it works for the very first time, but if I change the theme manually, then it doesn't work. Then you will have to rerun your app again, or do something like this. So I'll quickly remove this code, I'll rerun this. Now it should be working, because I'm assigning the color over here. Okay, so it is blue. If I change it to light, it is brown. So if I change to dark, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.